Hi all. So exercise 7.1 completed. Formula is also given. Now next exercise I will move on. Integrations, important part. So as I said earlier, so the integrations from exercise 7.2, 7.3, 7.4 onwards, you will be divided into three parts. One is integration can be done by three. That is integration can be done by substitution method. I have kept this kept another name for this one is shortcut. Okay, substitution method, bypass method, that is UDV formula that I will teach you later, and the next one is partial fractions. Okay, these all are very easy. The only thing is substitution method is very easy. You have to understand the tricks in that one. So here differentiation also will be playing a vital role. Let me start with a small basics. Okay, substitution method. For example, integration 3x square upon x cube, so dx. Okay, so what may be the answer for this one? What I will do is I'll cancel x square x cube. Okay, I'll get 3 into, for example, I'll do weight x square x, so I got 3 into 1 upon x dx, so 3 integration 1 upon x dx, so I got 1 upon x dx integrated upon log x, and this is a class 9th formula. Okay, so m log n can be written as, this will go log x cube, m log n or n log m, log m to the power n. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 steps I have done. But if you use a substitution method, for example, 3x square upon x cube dx, okay, denominator differentiate panna numerator varudan paru. So if you differentiate x cube, you get 3x square. So straight away you can write the answer as log of denominator. So therefore the answer is log of x cube plus c. You can save the time. Okay, this is said to be substitution method. For this also I won't keep a name for substitution. I will tell this one is a shortcut. If you differentiate the denominator, you are getting the numerator. Now the answer is log of denominator. So what is actually substitution method? Substitution method is, instead of me you have to go. Instead of you, some other person has to go. So what is it? So 3x square upon x cube dx. Now let, in place of x, you substitute some other variable. For example, let t equal to x cube. I am taking as a t. Okay, substitution. Now differentiate both the side with respect to x. dt upon dx equal to 3x square. Next, dt upon 3x square equal to dx. So what I am coming to tell is, in place of dx, you have to substitute dt upon 3x square. So therefore, I will get as 3x square, no need to disturb anything. In place of x cube, I can substitute as t. In place of dx, I will substitute as dt upon 3x square. So I got 1 upon t dt. 1 upon t dt, 1 upon x dx, 1 upon m dm, 1 upon L dl, 1 upon z dz, these all. So 1 upon x I integrate panna, you will get log x. So this I will get as log t. In place of t, what I have to substitute back? Log x cube. So 2 steps I got the answer. I got the 5 steps. This is has to be substitution method. This is a shortcut, and this is the original method without substituting anything. So I have taken a small sum. Okay, this is the basics. One note I will teach you. You have to think first of all, which one I have to take as a t. Either differentiate panna numerator varum. So either if you take t equal to 3x square, I won't get the denominator. So let me take the denominator as a t. So t equal to x cube. Differentiate both the side. Cross multiply for all the sums, because I need to get the dx for all the sums. So 3x square, dx goes this side, 3x square come this side. Next integration, 3x square no need to disturb because 3x square going to get cancelled. Next one, therefore 3x square, in place of x cube I can substitute as a t. In place of dx I can substitute dt upon 3x square. So cancel it. 1 by t dt. Okay, very useful. 1 by t dt. Now log t, in place of t I have to substitute x cube. So this is the shortcut for the 7.2 exercise. Okay, now I will move on to the 7.2 exercise. Listen to the video carefully. Basics for the 7.2. The one trick is, if you differentiate denominator, you are getting the numerator now, then the shortcut is log of denominator. Now exercise 7.2. There are many sums in exercise 7.2. I will try my level best to complete. First sum. 2x upon integration 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. I will do both the method. One is shortcut, other one is substitution method. Both they'll give the marks. Shortcut, what I told you, if you differentiate denominator, you are getting the numerator. For example, 1 plus x square differentiate pannunga, 1 differentiate panna 0, x square differentiate panna 2x, 0 plus 2x. Yes, I am getting the numerator. Now what I told you, the shortcut answer is log of denominator. So the answer is log of denominator plus c. This is the shortcut. Suppose I don't know the shortcut, sir, I have to do the substitution method, sir. Let t equal to 1 plus x square. Now you guys will ask me, how I will know that which one I will take as a t, numerator or denominator? The trick is here, which one, either differentiate panna numerator varum, that is as a t, which one. Okay, now differentiate both the side. So dt upon dx equal to 2x. As I told in the previous sum, for all the sums you have to take it as dx. I need the dx alone. For all the sums in place of dx, I have to replace something. So I need the dx. Dx gone this side, 2x this side. Substitute in the question, please. So integration, numerator no need to disturb because it's going to get cancelled. Denominator as a t because I have assumed. In place of dx, dt 2x. Cancel. 1 by t I integrate panna, I'll get log t. In place of t, I can substitute as 1 plus x square plus c. So tricks also I told you, and substitution method also I told you. Denominator differentiate panna numerator vardana, log of denominator straight up order. Mudiliya, go for the substitution. In place of 1 plus x square t. Think panna, which one I have to take as a t? Sir, some square root t. You think practicing, okay? Think and then practice, okay? So first sum I have given you both the methods. From second sum onwards, I am going to do the shortcut as well as substitution method. Okay, otherwise second sum also I'll go with the substitution method. Second sum, that is integration log x whole square upon x. Integration log x whole square upon x. So if the denominator differentiate panna numerator varla. Okay, so go with substitution. Which one? Log x differentiate panna 1 by x. X differentiate panna 1. So either differentiate panna edu varudhu. For example, let t equal to log x. Differentiate both the side. dt upon dx equal to 1 upon differentiate. I need only dx. So cross multiply. So x dt equal to dx. Substitute. In place of log x, I can substitute as a t square. Once you substitute for the t, remaining don't need to disturb. In place of dx ku badala x dt. See, ரெண்டு வேரியபிள் இருந்தா இன்டகிரேட்டே பண்ண முடியாது. ஏதாவது ஒரு வேரியபிளா வரும். t ஸ்கொயர்னா dt, x ஸ்கொயர்னா dx, m ஸ்கொயர்னா dm. There should be one variable. அதனால தான் see cancelled, convert into one variable. So இப்போ t square dt. சார் எனக்கு t ஸ்கொயர் பண்ண தெரியல சார். So then in place of t, imagine as x. So x ஸ்கொயர் இன்டிகிரேட் பண்ணா x cube by 3. அப்ப t ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணா t cube by 3. In place of t, because question given x, அப்ப answer x தான் இருக்கணும். அப்ப t cube, t placeல log x whole cube upon 3 plus c. Second sum also I completed. Okay, it's a substitution method. Now third sum. Third sum is 1 upon x plus x log x. So third sum 1 upon x plus x log x. So you have to think, okay? So if I take t, this one, I will the t at the differentiate panni paakaren. Let t equal to x plus x log x. Differentiate panna perusa varum. Time save agadu. So appo think, okay? This is not the method. So go for some other method. Okay? Shortcut 1 upon x a common addition, I'll get 1 plus log x dx. So this can be written as numerator in the kondu poidu. Okay? Dx. இப்போ பாரு tricks பாரு, denominator differentiate பண்ண numerator வருமான்னு பாரு. Yes, 1 differentiate பண்ணா 0, log x differentiate பண்ணா 1 by x, 0 plus 1 by x, I got 1 by x. So easyana different denominator differentiate பண்ணா numerator na, the answer is log of denominator. So log of denominator plus c. Okay, next fourth sum. Fourth sum is sin x into sin of cos x. So integration sin x into sin of cos x dx. Okay, இப்போ t which one? இது integration பண்ண முடியாதுன்னா let imagine as a t. இப்போ நான் sin x differentiate பண்ணா cos x வருது. Cos x differentiate பண்ணா minus sin x வருது. So which one is easy? You decide. So let me decide as let t equal to sin x. Let t equal to sin x, so t equal to cos x. You decide. So t equal to sin x னு எடுத்தனா என்ன வரும்? எதுமே cancel ஆகாது. Okay, but if I take t equal to cos x, if I take t equal to cos x na differentiate both the side. So dt by dx equal to minus sin x. I need only dx as I said in the previous sum. Apna therefore dt upon minus sin x equal to dx. Just a small cross multiply. Therefore I got integration. Go and substitute in the question itself. In place of sin x, any variable? No. Okay. Keep it as it is. Sin. In place of cos x, what I can substitute? T. In place of dx, what I can substitute? Dt upon minus sin x. Okay. See, now I cancel. After cancelling, whether I'm getting two variables? No. Only sin t dt. So we got a correct answer. So minus integration sin t dt minus sin x integrate panna minus cos x. But in place of x, I have a t. Minus into minus plus cos. In place of t, I have to substitute. In place of t, what I have to substitute? Cos x. Cos of cos x plus c. Okay, you have to think which one I have to take as a t. That is a wonder. If you take a t is equal to sin x now, you'll get here cos x and cos will go there and here cos will come. I can't cancel it. So which one I have to take as a t? Because in application of derivatives, you guys asked me that, sir, which one I don't know, sir, to change it in terms of r, in terms of h. Same thing here also. Which one is take as a t? I have to think. Which suppose 1 plus log s t na, I can cancel it everything. Okay, small tricks. Fifth sum. Sin of ax plus b, cos of ax plus b. Integration of sin of ax plus b, cos of ax plus b into dx. So which one I will take a t? I can take any one. If I take sin ax plus t, I will get differentiate panna cos varudhu. Cos differentiate panna sin varudhu. Anything I can take as a t. So no problem. Let me take t equal to sin of ax plus b. Differentiate panna. dt by dx equal to both the side differentiate. Okay. Sin theta will differentiate panna cos theta. Dot bracket lagirudhu. Ax plus b differentiate panna a. Now I need only dx, right? So for all the sums I am doing same concept. Cos of ax plus b equal to dx. Substitute in the question. In place of sin x, sin of ax plus b, I can substitute as a t. Cos of ax plus b, no need to change because it's going to cancel. In place of dx, dt upon a times cos of ax plus b. So two steps you go ahead. Okay, in front of you are, while I'm taking the question, you have to think which one has a take as a t. See, I have cancelled. Is there any other variable? So there is no variable because a is a constant. So take as a is 1 by a t dt. So 1 by a, I am unable to integrate t, sir. You imagine x dx. X integrate panna x square by 2. Apna idena varo t square by 2. Okay, in place of t now 1 upon a. In place of t, if you substitute sin of ax plus b square, because t square and plus c. Okay, so sixth sum. Root over ax plus b. Root over ax plus b. Integration root over ax plus b. This many methods are there for this one. You can go directly. I already told you that in the first exercise itself, this power whole square or whole power 1 by 2, both are same only, no? Ax plus b whole square I have solved in the previous exercise. Now I move on to the power 1 by 2. Same thing. So imagine this entire thing is x. Upon what will become x power 1 by 2 integrate panna varum. X power 1 by 2 upon x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, right? Same concept. Ax plus b power 3 by 2 upon power 3 by 2. X or a coefficient will come in the denominator plus c. Okay, that's the only thing. I should be very careful in that one. Next one. Seventh one, x into square root kulla x plus 2. X into square root kulla x plus 2. Okay. Seventh sum, x times square root la x plus 2 dx. Okay. So now, if I take this sum, no, integration, okay, not differentiation. Differentiation na UV method you can do, but integration two variables, x into square root. Again, there are two methods for this one. I'll go with the easiest method. Let whatever the question is given the square root, no, take it that one as a t. That's a small into, okay. Square root to kulla t equal to x plus 2. T equal to x plus 2 na, differentiate both the side. So dt upon dx. X differentiate panna 1, 2 upon 0. Cross, I need only dx, right? So dt equal to dx. Here, one small trick is there. In t equal to x plus 2 now, what will be the x equal to? T minus 2. Tx equal to t minus 2. Now substitute everything whatever you got. Okay, so what is the next step? So everything whatever you are substitute, go and substitute the question. So seventh question, continuation here. In place of x, okay, imagine x I'm keeping as it is, square root. In place of x plus 2, t. In place of dx, t d. Now see, I can't integrate because there are two variables, x and the t. I can't integrate. So now change into one variable. For that purpose only, in place of x, what I can substitute? In place of x, I can substitute t minus 2. This root t dt. Now as usual, first exercise. T minus 2. This is t power 1 by 2 dt. Now multiply inside. This will become t power 3 by 2. 2t power 1 by 2 dt. Now one variable. Now normal integration. T power x power n integrate panna. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? So similarly, t power 3 by 2 integrate panna. T power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2. T power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. You can take this 3 by 2 to 2 by 3. If you simplify this one, you'll get 5 by 2 will become 2 by 5. Okay. Now eighth sum. So the eighth question is like this. Same concept. X into square root 1 plus. So eighth sum. X times square root 1 plus 2x square dx. X times square root 1 plus 2x square into dx. Okay. So what I will do is, as I said in the previous classes, square root la enna vandalum t nirthal. Better square root kulla, then you will get some idea. Yena, if you differentiate 1 plus 2x square na, it will become 1 differentiate upon 0, 2x square upon 4x. So kandipa in the x number cancel agum. So one and only method. So let small int is t equal to square root kulla irukkuradhu. Eppovume naabachukka square root kulla irukkuradhu. Now differentiate both the side. Dt by dx equal to 0, 2 into 2x, 4x. So dt upon 4x equal to dx. See, for all the sums, dx is coming in the fraction. dt is coming in the fraction. Sometimes it won't come the fraction, but many sums is getting fraction only because we can cancel it. So integration x onume pannada square root kulla t dx ku badala dt upon 4x. See, after cancelling, I'm not getting any two variables, only one variable. Root t na t power 1 by 2. So t power 1 by 2 na t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. No, see, I have done a mistake. Here also I have done a mistake. See, here also I have done a mistake because I have completed the answer in the t, but the question asked is x. So I have to substitute for t. Okay, don't forget that in the previous sum you have to substitute for t. In place of t I will get x plus 2. So here x plus 2, here x plus 2. Don't forget that 1 marks for that one. So here also 1 upon 4, 2 by 3. In place of t I have to substitute 1 plus 2x square power 3 by 2 plus c. Like this you have to complete. Ninth sum. So ninth sum is like this. Integration 4x plus 2 into square root kulla 4x. So this is 9 sum. Okay. So 4x plus 2 times square root kulla, that means x square plus x. x square plus x plus 1 dx. So as I said earlier, square root குள்ள t இருக்கு கத்துக்க. So t equal to என்ன வரும்? x square plus x plus 1. அப்ப நான் dt upon dx differentiate both the side. 2x plus 1. I need only dx. So dt upon dx equal to dt upon 2x plus 1 equal to dx. Therefore dt upon 2x plus 1 equal to dx. Substitute in the question. 4x plus 2 la, can I take 2 outside? Yeah. Why? Wait. 4x. So I have taken in this one, I have taken 2. Okay, multiply 4x plus 2 da varudhu. Square root kulla t. I have taken so t dx ku badala dt upon 2x plus 1. See, I can get cancelled. For that purpose only I have taken root t. So 2 times t per 1 by 2 integrate panna t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. In place of t I have to substitute. So x square plus x plus 1 power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. 10th sum. So 10th sum is like this. Integration 1 upon x minus root x. 1 upon x minus root x. 10th sum is quite, you have to think, okay? X minus root x dx. For this one, there may be many methods. You can rationalize the denominator, try the sum, okay? The easiest method is 1 upon. In place of x, can I write as root x into root x? It's class 7th or 8th portion. Root x into root x no x, okay? Why? Because I can take as a root x common. So it will get root x minus 1. I can take a root x common. So root x minus 1. Now bracket la irukkudu, square root la irukkudu, bracket la irukkudu ellathiyum t nu irukka try panna. Let t equal to root x minus 1. So dt upon dx, root x I differentiate panna 1 by 2 root x. X panna 1. 1 differentiate panna 0. I need only dx, right? So cross multiply panna da enakku fraction la vanda cross multiply panna. So I got dx. Okay? Now substitute in the question. Which is your new question? Though this one I have taken outside, right? This is your new question, okay? This is your new question. Equation number 1. So substitute in equation number 1. So 1 upon root x edhume pannada in the bracket la irukku t nu edutita dx ku badala enadhu 2 root x dx. Now if you, so now is possible to cancel. See why I have taken root x common is for this purpose. Cancelled. So 2 into 1 upon t dt. So I got 2 into log t. In place of t I have to substitute. In place of t I have to substitute x minus 1 plus c. Now 11th sum. X upon root x plus 4. Correct? X upon root x plus 4. Whether 4 is inside or 4 is outside. 4 is inside. So I said root kulla the t nu eduthuka t equal to x plus 4. So dt upon dx equal to 1. Cross multiply panna dt equal to dx. Now I said I'm going to substitute, okay? So that if it is one variable now, it is easy to calculate. If it is two variable now, you have to think some, okay? So keep in mind that one. So I'll move on to the next one. So going to substitute in the question. So in place of x I have no idea. So square root kulla t. In place of dx t. I am unable to integrate because there are two variables. Now change this x into t. So now come back to the original step. In place of x I can substitute t minus 4. So therefore go and substitute t minus 4. So t minus 4 upon t power 1 by 2. Same question we have seen in the first exercise. Father minus mother upon child na I can write as father upon child minus mother upon child. Now normal integrations t. I have taken numerator and 4 I have taken the numerator. Next step base same and the power add panna 1 minus 1 by 2 it is 1 by 2. So t power 1 by 2 integrate panna minus 4 t power minus 1 by 2 integrate pannu t power 1 by 2 na t power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus 4 t power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. Substitute for t in place of t x plus 4. The answer will become x plus 4 power la 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus 4 x plus 4 power 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. You can simplify further, small simplifications that you can do. 12th sum. So 12th sum is like this. So integration numerator la x square, denominator la 2 plus 3x cube whole cube. So 11th, that is 12th sum, right? 12th one or 13th one? 12th one, x cube minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. X cube minus 1 whole to the power 1 upon 3 times x to the power 5. இப்போ நீ எதை t எடுப்ப? இப்போ x power 5 t எடுத்தனா differentiate பண்ணு. So t differentiate பண்ணா dt by dx, x power 5 பண்ணா 5x to the power 4. எதுமே cancel ஆகாது. So something in terms of x cube I need. So அப்போ நம்ம வந்து கொஞ்சம் பொறுமையா தான் போடணும். Let me take this one as, so x cube minus 1 power 1 by 3. X power 5 can I write as this one like this? Yes sir, because base same on the power add பண்ணலாம். Why you have taken as x cube? X power 4 into x power 1, x power 1 into x power 4 மாத்த வேண்டியதானே? ஏன் வெயிட் பண்ணு, பிராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ள ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்டுக்குள்ள வந்தா அந்த t எடுக்கணும் இல்லையா? இப்போ t equal to x cube minus 1 பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ dt upon dx I got 3x square. So அப்போ dt upon 3x square equal to dx. இங்க substitute பண்ணி பார்க்கலாமா? So let me go on substituting the question please. So in place of x cube minus 1 t, x cube எதுமே பண்ண முடியாது, x square எதுமே பண்ணல, dx க்கு பதிலா dt upon 3x square. இங்க பாரு x square cancel பண்ணியாச்சு. But even though in spite of that one I can't integrate because there are two variables. So you change x cube into t. Up go back. Here see I have a loophole. In this x cube equal to what I can write as t plus 1. So therefore final step I got. Therefore integration t power 1 by 3 in place of x cube I can write this one as t plus 1 dt. Now one variable. Now as to first exercise, t power 1 by 3 into t plus t power 1 by 3 into 1 dt, separately integrate, you get the answer. So this one is t power 1 by 3 base same on the power add பண்ணலாம். So this is t power 4 by 3. Okay, so t power 4 by 3 dt and this is t power 1 by 3 dt. So if you differentiate, after differentiating substitute the value for t. So this will become t power 7 by 3 by 7 by 3, t power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. In place of t you can substitute x cube minus 1. That's it. 13th sum, easy sum. Okay. So 13th one, x square numerator. So I got numerator x square, denominator 2 plus 3x cube whole cube. Okay, numerator 12th sum. 12th sum, numerator x cube, denominator x square, right? Numerator la x square, denominator la 2 plus 3x cube. 2 plus 3x cube the whole cube dx. Bracket la vandirukku, bracket la square root la. Okay, bracket la எப்பவுமே சொல்றேன் into கொடுத்திருக்கேன். So 2 plus 3x cube, if you differentiate dt upon dx you get 0. இத பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? 3 into 3 into x cube differentiate பண்ணா 3x square. So dt upon 9x square equal to dx. Substitute in the question t and dx. So you'll get x square ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணாம வெச்சுக்க, t cube dx க்கு பதிலா dt upon 9x square. So I got 1 upon 9. t power 3 மேல வந்தா t power minus 3. So t power minus 3 integrate பண்ணா பவர்ல ஒன்னு increase ஆகும், அதே பவர் கீழ வரும். In place of t I have to substitute this value. So 2 plus 3x cube power minus 3 and this one will become minus 2 plus c. Okay. 13th sum. 13th sum is x. Oh sorry. 13th sum I completed. 14th sum. 1 upon x times log x power m. 14th sum 1 upon x times log x power m dx x m correct. So bracket x log x log x. Yes, very good. So bracket t equal to log x apna dt upon dx equal to 1 upon x. Cross multiply, I need only the x. Substitute in the question 1 upon x ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணாத. Okay, dx க்கு பதிலா x dt, xx cancel, t power minus m மாறுச்சு. t power minus m integrate பண்ணா பவர்ல 1 increase ஆகும். That's it. Question number 15. X upon 9 minus 4x square. X upon 9 minus 4x square dx. As usual, t, let t equal to 9 minus 4x square. So differentiate both the side. You get dt upon dx equal to minus 4 into 2x, that is minus 8x. So I got dt upon minus 8x equal to dx. Am I correct? Yes. So in place of dx, I will substitute. So in place of dx, I will substitute. Therefore integration x ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணாத, denominator பதிலா t, dx க்கு பதிலா dt upon minus 8x, xx cancel, there is no two variables. Minus 1 upon 8 I have taken outside. 1 upon t integrate panna, I will get log t. In place of t, I have to substitute log t க்கு பதிலா 9 minus 4x square plus c. So question number 16 e power 2x plus 3, e power 2x plus 3 dx. E power 2x, e power anything, e power 2x differentiate panna e power 2x upon 2, x oda coefficient. E power 3x panna e power 3x upon 3. Appo e power 2x plus 3 panna same thing, e power 2x plus 3 upon x oda coefficient denominator. That's it. Simple concept. Next, shortcut. Okay, this is shortcut. 17th one, x upon e power x square. Okay, x upon e power x square dx. Now you can ask me, sir, e power x square differentiate panna x வருமா வராது. சரி, x differentiate panna x square வருமா வராது. ஆனா x square differentiate panna 2x இருக்கு. So let x square, let either t இருக்கணும், t equal to x square. This skill you will get only through